So guys, in today's video, we are solving our question number 654 by the name of maximum binary tree. So in today's video, we are solving this question, and this question is based on two examples. Okay, so we understand both of the examples, and with these both of the examples have a diagram also, so we will see the diagrams also of both examples. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing these type of tutorials. But anyways, let's move to computer screen and let's try to solve today's question in Python 3. So let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing it. So guys, let's start to solve today's question. We are solving our question number 654 by the name of maximum binary tree. So let's try to solve today's question in Python 3. So let's start. It is given me an integer array by the name of nums with no duplicates. A maximum binary tree can be built recursively from nums using the following algorithm. First, it creates one root node whose value is the maximum value in nums. Number 2, it recursively builds the left subtree on the subarray prefix to the left of the maximum value. Number 3, recursively it builds the right subtree of on the subarray suffix to the right of the maximum value. Here we wanted in the maximum binary tree built from nums. Okay, here you get an example one diagram. Okay, here you can see it. So let's make this circle. Let me give him the no fill. Let me give him the red color and the full outline. Here he wrote 6, here he wrote it on 3, here he wrote it on 5, and then 2, and then 0. These numbers means this tree is looking different from the previous ones. Okay, if you see the previous videos, because in the previous video I also will show you some diagrams. We solved the question with saying the diagram, but that diagrams are little bit different from this one. Okay, it is one maximum binary tree built from nums. Okay, nums means integer array. Okay, so here why this number he wrote it down, because here he get an integer array by the name of nums in which he wrote it down 3, 2, 1, 6, 0 and 5. Okay, and the output having coming 6, 3, 5, null, 2, 0, null and 1. Okay, so why this type of output having coming? Because the recursive calls are as follows. The largest value in 3, 2, 1, 6, 0, 5 is 6. Left prefix is 3, 2, 1 and the right suffix is 0, 5. Number 2, the largest value in 3, 2, 1 is 3. Left prefix is bracket and the right right suffix is bracket 2, 1. Empty array, so no child. The largest value in bracket 2, 1 is 2 and the left prefix is bracket and the right suffix is bracket 1. Empty array, so no child. Only one element, so child is a node with value 1. The largest value in 0, 5 is 5. Left prefix is 0 and the right suffix is bracket. Only one element, so child is node with value 0 and empty array, so no child. So no child. Okay, this explanation is little bit difficult, but I hope you understood it. So this the example 2 in which he wrote in he created a one tree. Okay, first tree here he wrote in down 3. Okay, if you see here 3 and then it is going to the 2 and then 3 and then 2 and then it is going to the 1. Okay, and then here you get an integer array by the name of nums in which he wrote it down 3, 2, 1 and the output I am coming 3, null, 2, null and 1. In this of this example there is not any explanation has been included. Okay, and there are the 3 constraints it has been also be given you. Okay, if you want to view it, so view it. Okay, so let's start to solve today's question in the LeetCode website. So let's start. And by the way, this question we are solving, there is a medium one question which we are solving, and total 3,96,000 people has submitted this question and total 3,41,000 has been accepted. Okay, and in this question there are the 6 topics are included by the name of array, divide and conquer, stack tree, monotonic stack, and binary tree. Okay, so let's try to solve this question in the LeetCode website. Medium one question which we are solving. So let's start. The codes are very smaller, okay, if you see, okay. First of all, we define a class for solution. Def construct maximum binary tree. Self comma nums list int minus greater than tree node. Nodes equals to then square bracket. For num, we define for loop in which we define num in nums. Node equals to 3 node num. While nodes and nodes minus 1 dot val less than num. Node dot left equals to nodes dot pop if nodes minus 1 dot right equals to nodes dot append node. Enter, back, enter. Return nodes 0. So let's see the summation code. Let's see the running code, I mean. So when I run this code, so now running code has been accepted, and I beat not I beat, we run this code and expected output is 6 3 5 null 2 0 null 1. Also output coming same. In the case 2, the expected output is 3 null 2 null and 1, and also output coming same. Now before the submission code, first of all we define some comments here, because from the comments your rating will be high. Okay, define class of our solution. Define def. Okay, create a empty list of nodes. Define for loop. Create a variable by the name of node. Create while loop. Wrote create variable by the name of node dot left. Create a if statement. Create nodes, and then define here nodes. We append it with node. Okay, append means we merge two things together. Okay, and then return all the things output. Okay, now let's see the summation code. Now the last thing is to, so let's submit this code. So when I submit this code, so now the summation code has been also be accepted, and I beat 92.88% people. You can see from the comments, when you define comments, so it will, your beats will become high. Okay, let's see post this question. So you can see in today's video we solved our question number 1654 by the maximum binary tree. So if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more these type of tutorials. And you can also read my bio, my profile and my skills and these all the things. So now let's meet in the next video in which we solve one more question. So let's meet in the next video, but access my playlist and bookmark it, because it is, I'm readying you for FANG jobs. Okay, for FANG jobs interviews. Okay, it is some job ready questions which we are solving, and you can also be access my playlist and bookmark it, and these type of things. Okay, let me show you. Come out here. These things you must know. Okay, in advanced question you must know these dynamic programming, these things. In intermediate question you know these these things, and the fundamental means in the easy questions you must know these things. Okay, so now please send me a points. Okay, some little bit points, send me some points, because I want to purchase this. Let me show you what I want to purchase, this cap and shirt for LeetCode camp. So then I will wear it, and I will be make a video for you wearing it. That okay. The total 800 coins I have collected. But please send me the code. Sorry, send me the some points. Okay, then I will purchase this shirt and cap also. Okay, so please send me that. Okay, so now, but anyways, let's meet in the next video. Next very amazing video. So now let's in the next video we solve question number 655. Okay, so now let's meet in the next video. So for today, goodbye.